Welcome to Stocks Power YouTube channel. So today we are going to see comparison between HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. Which bank can give good returns in coming year? Which bank is good to invest? So today we are going to see all the comparison between HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification about new videos that I will upload about share market updates. Guys, if you have not watched Bank Nifty option strategy, intraday strategy, so I have put the link in description. You can go and watch that video, or you can see in I button. So let's start with this video. So here we can see HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank comparison. So let's start with the price. So ICICI Bank price is at 477, where HDFC Bank price is at 1355. So there is more difference between price. So ICICI Bank price is at low and HDFC price is high. So interest rate, how much interest rate does HDFC Bank get in 1 year versus how much interest rate ICICI Bank get in 1 year? So HDFC Bank get returns 62,243, where ICICI Bank get 44,614 crore. The values are in crore. So HDFC Bank get more returns, but as compared to both the price, ICICI Bank has got good interest return as compared to HDFC Bank. So we'll check next. So total revenue of HDFC Bank is 1,51,749, as of ICICI Bank's total revenue is 1,55,743 crores. So ICICI Bank's total revenue is more as compared to HDFC Bank. So net profit annual. So HDFC Bank's net profit is 29,608 crore and ICICI Bank's net profit is 15,740. So HDFC Bank's net profit is more as compared to ICICI Bank. It's double as compared to ICICI Bank. So as compared to total revenue, HDFC Bank has given good returns in net profit. So you can see a market cap. So market cap of HDFC Bank is 7,54,942 crore, where ICICI Bank has market cap of 3,28,794 crore, which is double. HDFC Bank's market cap is double as compared to ICICI Bank. So total assets we can check. HDFC Bank has total assets of 15,80,830 crores, whereas ICICI Bank has 13,77,292 crore, where HDFC Bank has more assets compared to ICICI Bank. As of market cap, ICICI Bank has good assets. So total EPS. So you can see HDFC Bank has good EPS as compared to ICICI Bank. EPS is earning per share. I have made video on EPS and PE ratio. You can search it in I button, or you can search it in description. There is link in description also. So earning per share, HDFC Bank has good earning per share ratio as compared to ICICI Bank, where ICICI Bank has 14.8, as compared to HDFC Bank it is low, very low. But PE ratio is high of HDFC Bank, 25.5. Price earning ratio, PE means price earning ratio, as compared to ICICI Bank, which has 20.9. Okay, so this PE ratio and earning per share ratio is last 12 months ratio. So HDFC Bank has good ratio, but PE ratio is high as compared to ICICI Bank. But why PE ratio is high? So HDFC Bank growth is high, so PE ratio is high. So I have made video how to check PE ratio and HDFC ratio and valuation of each company. You can go and check that video. Link is in description. So ROE, as compared to ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank's ROE is more double, where ICICI Bank's ROE is in percentage 7.98%, where HDFC Bank's ROE is 15.45%. So total debt. So total debt in comparison, HDFC Banks is 1.1, where ICICI Bank's total debt is 1.8. So debt, HDFC Bank's debt is good. So debt should be less than 0.50. So ICICI Bank's debt is more. So which is not good as compared to HDFC Bank. But here you can see cash flow. ICICI Bank's cash flow is more, means more compared to HDFC Bank. So 40,248 is ICICI Bank's cash flow, where HDFC Bank's cash flow is 5,908 only. So as compared to ICICI Bank, HDFC's cash flow is low. But ROCE in percentage, HDFC Bank has more ROCE in percentage, 7.55%, as compared to ICICI Bank, which has 6.07%. So here you can see comparison of HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank's chart. So pink one is pink one is HDFC Bank and blue one is ICICI Bank. So you can see how till 2010 there was similarity between HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. After that, HDFC Bank has went upstage direct and ICICI Bank has not growth. So HDFC Bank has good growth rate, so it gave rally till now, but ICICI Bank did not went upstage. So this is comparison between the HDFC Bank chart and ICICI Bank chart. This shows us that HDFC Bank has good growth rate as compared to ICICI Bank. So you can see as compared to 2010 there were similarities between, check here and here, how much difference has made by HDFC Bank as compared to ICICI Bank. So we can check next. So here is point of view. So both banks are good to invest. Okay, so you can invest in both banks as compared to each other. Both are good to invest. But as of comparing, HDFC Bank will get good returns compared to ICICI Bank. HDFC Bank will get good returns as compared to ICICI Bank because of the HDFC Bank has good growth rate and good income and good interest rate. So HDFC Bank has good returns compared to ICICI Bank. So you can see HDFC Bank P ratio is high because its growth rate is high. So ICICI Bank's P ratio is low. But why P ratio is low? Because growth rate is low as compared to HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank's P ratio is 25 and ICICI Bank's ratio is 20.8. So HDFC Bank gives more returns as compared to ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank price is low compared to HDFC Bank. So you can invest more in ICICI Bank with less capital. So this is one positive thing, that ICICI Bank's price is low as compared to HDFC Bank. So it is double or triple price as compared to ICICI Bank. So you can invest more in ICICI Bank with less capital. You can buy more shares as compared to HDFC Bank. With same capital you can buy more shares of ICICI Bank and less share you can buy with HDFC Bank. So investment methods, you can see investment methods. If you invest 10,000 in both banks, how much returns you will get, we'll see. So if you invest 10,000 in both banks, you can buy 21 shares of ICICI Bank and you can buy only 7 shares of HDFC Bank in 10,000. So if you invest same in HDFC Bank, you will get good returns as growth rate is higher. So one thing, I am repeating one thing every time, the growth rate is higher. HDFC Bank's growth rate is higher. It can give good returns in small time. So if you invest less money in HDFC Bank, you will get good returns in coming years. So for long term you can invest with less capital in ICICI Bank. So both banks are good to invest, but HDFC has growth rate high, so you can invest in HDFC Bank if you want good returns in coming years. So as of comparison, I will go with HDFC Bank as of ICICI Bank, because good there is good rate and HDFC Bank can give good returns. As of P and EPS ratio, you can see earning per share ratio is good. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification of other videos that I will upload. So have a good luck and best for all the best for your trading sessions ahead. Thank you.